everybody, welcome back. Today, let's review what we went over in the last class, which is about using audio adjustments and introducing fades to help polish your video. So let's get started. So let's just watch the clip as we have it now. The clip from a song that I love called Without Me by Halsey. So without further ado, let's listen to the clip. As you can see, it's a little bit too loud right here. You want the ideal volume to be around -5 to -10 at the most. So the best way to adjust your audio levels is to find a peak over here. A peak is where the audio level is somewhere near the top at the maximum level of volume for this clip. So click on the clip, go to Filters, and the plus sign, add a filter. Under audio, look for this filter right here. It's called gain/volume. There we go. This looks pretty good. As you can see, I can lower the level, so negative number means that I'm making the volume less. And as you can see, the top level is going down. I'm gonna pause it right there. To the clip. And now the clip is a little bit quieter and it more closely matches the audio of my screencast. So I've adjusted the audio on one clip of my original video, but I want to use that same audio level on all of my clips. So I will click right here on the two pieces of paper. This means to copy the filters. Copy. It's a little bit too loud right here. And I'll click right here on the clipboard. This will paste the same filters into this same clip. Make sure that you click on the clip that you want to paste and then click paste. Now the audio levels on this clip are the same as the audio levels on the previous clip. Not bad.